up, guys? Welcome back, Acura Honda Classic, and today we got something special too as well.
So today we got a whole car wash kit, and we're going to do a product review on Turbo Wax and all these really nice products, and we're going to try it out on my car and we'll see how it comes out.
Car looks pretty good.
Car's a little dirty, but I think with the help of this stuff, it should work out pretty good. I'm a little excited about this.
Well, let's take a look what we got, man. Like most car wash, car shampoo, right?
Yeah, I guess that's a must. That's pH balance there. That's supposed to help not damage the clear coat and not leave water spots, so that'll be nice.
We'll try that out. Second thing here, wheel cleaner. Everybody need a wheel cleaner.
Yeah, the good thing about this wheel cleaner, from what it's telling us here, is that it's clear coat safe. It helps remove all that brake dust debris.
Cool stuff.
That's always important.
And then next one here, guess what?
Little tire coating. Everyone needs a little
need
shine. That. You know what I mean? A little ice.
I like that. And then obviously to finish up, we need a quick detail, right?
Yeah, you know, the quick detailer, I always like that because that's what I use to touch up the cars. But there's a couple different ways to use it. We're going to take a look at that too.
I'll tell you what, these bottles, they feel really nice.
You know, it's definitely not cheap quality. And you definitely get a lot of it, a good amount of it, 16 ounces in each one of these. And they come with the squirt adapter here. How's it smell? Does it smell pretty good? Everyone likes the way stuff smells.
Oh, the watermelon.
Ooh, yeah, wow. I like some watermelon.
That's addicting right there. All right, so what else we got here?
Now this part, if you have a black car, this is a must. This is called a dirt lock. Some people call them grit guards. The good thing about this is it fits right in the bottom of your bucket, and every time in between washing a panel, it'll help separate the dirt and sand from the soap so you don't put scratches and swirls into your black paint. That's
cool.
Worse. Yeah,
that's cool.
That thing's real nice.
Nice, and obviously we have
the wash mitt. It's real soft, won't scratch your car.
Microfiber towel, very important.
This is very good for the quick detailer and cleaning up the windows. This is pretty neat.
This is funny. What is this?
So, you know, if you've ever washed your car and you're dragging the hose around, you know it always gets caught in the corner of your tire. What this does is this goes right in the corner of your tire, and it makes it so the hose doesn't get wedged under there.
Kind of just slide on top.
Yeah, so it slides around it. It's neat, and it's simple, but it works. And we'll have that on the car too.
The last thing we're going to talk about is something that I'm pretty interesting to know what this is all about.
Yeah, you know, I've seen it on other videos and when the detailers come and they wash the cars, but I've never used a foam gun. Some people say you have to use a pressure washer, but the good thing about this is set up to work with the hose. And
so not a pressure washer.
Not a pressure washer. So that's the nice part about it. I'm really anxious to see how it's going to work. Not anxious, but excited, I'd say, to see, because you know the best part about a foam gun is it's washing the dirt off the surface, so you don't scratch it when you go to wash it. Very important on a black car.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Look at this bottle here. Traditional looking bottle. But the cool thing about this, I do see here, it does have a dial, like right over here.
Oh yeah, I guess you get this way you can dial in how much foam you need in there.
Yeah, and the other cool thing is, hold this real quick, John. So it looks like this item attached to your traditional garden hose, right?
Yeah, right to the regular hook.
Then what that does is it got a quick connect right over here, and that just sort of clip onto here. And this just go right on here, like so. So once you're done with the foam gun, you can just quick release this.
And then you can rinse.
And just rinse the car off.
That's nice. I like that.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
So I want to see how that works.
I'm really excited to see how it works.
Let's get to it, man.
I know you guys are going to like it too. Let's make it happen.
All right, go ahead and put the car shampoo right into this bottle here. Go ahead and fill that up with water. So got it all mixed up. Go ahead and put the cap on. Twist it up. We go ahead and put the quick fitting.
That's got a nice adapter on there.
Yeah, really nice. Screw right on there. And now let's go ahead and attach the gun right here.
I saw it had a nice seal in here too, so you don't get that water squirting out.
Oh yeah, yeah. Don't you hate that? And from there, it's just a quick release here. Go ahead and attach this right onto here, and let's see how it works.
Let's get it. Let's see how it goes. I feel wrong with you doing this to my car. Something about it.
It's pretty good though. I mean, what I do like about this product here is you don't need a pressure washer. Most of the system you need a pressure washer to spray the foam on there, but it's not extremely foamy, but I think just is perfect.
I think it gets the job done. And I know with washing any of these cars, the first rinsing is the most important. Helps get all that stuff off the surface.
Absolutely.
You're pretty good at foaming stuff up, Mike.
You know, that's what I do.
Oh man, I thought you just worked out and looked sexy.
Oh God. All right, so got the car wash already. Want to go ahead and give the wheel cleaner a try.
I like that they come with these the squirters for it.
It's perfect, man. All right, so based on instruction, we go ahead, spray that on, let it agitate for about a minute, and then we go ahead and just a light brush and rinse it off. Go ahead and turn this knob on.
You have some trouble with that knob, huh?
Yeah, it appeared that way. Good thing about this cleaner is for wheels and tires, so and then the wheel well as well. So instead of buying all separate product, you have one product that it's like 3-in-1. Go ahead and let that sit for a little bit. All right, it's about a minute now, so go ahead and just go ahead and brush it off. Oh, John, I tell you what, man, stuff just come up right off, man.
Oh, look at that. I didn't even realize it was that dirty.
Wow.
And you know, the finish on these C28s, since it's kind of matte, it holds all the dirt in it.
Yeah.
I've never really been able to clean them very well.
Wow. Working really well, I'll tell you that, man. I mean, the brake dust just coming right off.
I'll tell you, you know what the best part about this is? That you're washing my car.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and apply the tire dressing with the tire dressing applicator.
I like how it's got a box so you don't get everything all gushy.
You know, all messy too.
Yeah.
You know, so couple of light application.
So I'm looking at the bottle here, and it's saying that this product in particular has a non-slinging formula so that it won't get all over the body of the car.
Which is kind of cool.
Yeah, I mean, because there's nothing worse than washing your car and driving it, and then, especially on a black car, you'll get that like greasy kind of sling on there. So it's supposed to not do that.
All right, guys, you have seen us doing a complete car wash in this car with Turbo Wax product. Tell us what you think in the comment below, and don't forget, go to the website turbowax.com. Use promo code AHC to get 15% off. AHC 15% off.
15% off, that's a good deal. And we'll show you a little close-up of the finished results. It's pretty good, and this is without wax or quick detail, just the wash and a dry tire dressing. Really impressive.
I think it come out really, really good
Great product.
for what it is.
Great product.
Don't forget to subscribe and like our video, and we'll see you guys next time.